How many of you have saved Christmas already this year?
It is the most wonderful time of the year. I'm working on this and that, and I've got a secret to share. Coffee lovers, have you ever tried Seattle's Best? This brand has been around for about 20 years, so it's nothing new, but the sea salt toffee is amazing. I'm just going to take about 20 seconds to get my face on. Even if I don't go anywhere or film anything, I still put on lipstick. Okay, glam status achieved, although I have bags for days. At church, we're doing a coffee mug gift exchange, so I got this mug off Etsy, and it has a bunch of fun Bible verses on it, so I just got to wrap this up for the party. I got a last minute order for some napkins, super easy and straight to the point, so I said yes. And I'm using a water soluble stabilizer on the back, which I never do. I'm just going to spray it with water and pull it off. And since they are napkins, I thought I would just give it a shot, but I'm just not liking this stabilizer. It's like really goopy and messy. One of my to-do list items is giving out Christmas cards. So I'm wondering, do people still give out cards? I'm signing little notes in these, but the more I think about it, I don't know that people even want cards anymore. They've got a family picture in it. That's a different story. But this doesn't have any money, no picture. I don't know if I should even give these out. Although I'm thinking putting a dollar bill in the card isn't a bad idea. That would be a nice surprise.
I'm wearing this minky. This is what my good best friend bought for me for Christmas, and it's so soft and cozy. So if you have a small business, then people may have reached out for like some last minute things. I had a gentleman call me yesterday, and he's like, me and my wife, we are making some crew necks for our family, and I kind of didn't know where he was going with this. Well, he saw my name on Google, so I knew he was calling about my business, and for a minute I thought he was just trying to get some tips on how to fix their embroidery machine. He's like, our embroidery machine broke down. I'm wondering if you can embroider the rest of these crew necks for our family. Their names on a crew neck with like a reindeer. And I'm like, how many? Well, there's 6 of them. And well, when do you need them? And he's like, tomorrow. So he needed them the next day. And naturally, I was able to pull that off. So, Christmas hero. Let me know how many of you have saved Christmas already this year. I think those of us that do custom orders and personalized orders get that, because I had another lady reach out to me because she ordered something off Etsy, and then the Etsy order got canceled. And so last minute she's scrambling because she wanted to get this crew neck made for her sister who had just lost her husband. So I made this really pretty crew neck sweater for her. So Christmas hero again. Let me know how many of you here are also Christmas heroes. This season, it's going really well because I did kind of a smart move, and I stopped all of my Christmas orders by the 15th so that I could make sure that I got everybody's order done in enough time without stressing out. But I also wanted to make sure that I took some time out to enjoy it with my family as well. We went to a Christmas party yesterday, and I also took some time out to embroider some fun stuff for some of my friends and family. One of the ladies from my church, I've heard her say this quote before: His mercies are new every morning. This is what I stitched out for her.
If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you.
I'm not sure if I like the colors. Sometimes it can be so hard to try to pick a color palette. I still love it, and I think she's going to love it as well. And there's another picture of it.
I also really like how it looks on this color of a bag. I think it would look really cute on a sand color sweatshirt as well. So I'll have to try that as well.
And I will link this file down below because this is a file that I got from an Etsy shop and I really recommend it. I think it turned out really pretty. And the Etsy shop has a lot of good reviews as well. And the Etsy shop also has some other cute Christian like boho files as well.
I also have 2 friends that are always running late. So how perfect is this sweatshirt?
So as the year comes to an end, I just keep thinking about like all the things that went right. And I want to hear from you as well. Like what has been the highlight? And do you have goals that you're working on? I constantly have goals, even if they're like weekly goals. And they're so funny. Like I do networking meetings with other women as well. We started to do just these small goals. And even for me, a goal could be like, okay, I need to send out this email. I've been putting it off for months, and this is my goal for this week. So I'm constantly making goals. So I just can't tell you how excited I am for the new year. And I have a secret, and I'm kind of ready to share it with everybody. But I've had a full-time job the entire time. Come over here. My little guy just woke up. I've had a job this entire time of building my business, doing my YouTube, making sewing videos. Like, yes, like a full-on career, working in family law with the state of Utah, sitting at a desk every day, working from 8 to 5 p.m. and then working on my embroidery business in the morning before 8 a.m. and then in the afternoons and then on the weekends, but still being with my family, still going hiking. I don't know how I did it, you guys, but I never really shared that I had a 9 to 5 because I wanted people to take my embroidery business seriously. So I never really talked about it. Now I'm ready to talk about it. I'm working on a video right now to talk about that leap. It's basically a huge leap of faith. It's going to be an inspiring video.
Yes, I finally quit my day job and I'm ready to talk about it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment tab and I'll address it in the next video.
Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and get the notifications so that you don't miss out on that video. If you've ever felt stuck or that you are made to do something creative, you're gonna love that video. If you sit behind a desk all day, you are not gonna wanna miss that video. She's still tired. So I just want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, make sure you check out all my machine embroidery videos. I also have sewing videos as well. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye guys.